Alright, welcome back to day 2. So yesterday we talked about finding volumes of a pyramid. I already gave you the volume of a cone, but if you need to refresh, we find it the same way as a pyramid, 1/3 area of the base times height. But a cone has a specific bottom of pi r squared, right? It has a circle. So if you really want the volume of a cone, okay, it's just 1/3 pi r squared times the height, okay? They're trying to condense it so you can actually remember the formula. So you're not trying to remember so many, but because you guys are going to get a note card, you can memorize it either way, okay? So, again, I just have pi, r is the radius, h is the height. So we know here that the radius is 5, because it's only halfway, and the height is h, so I'm just going to plug in. So I get 1/3 pi, r is really 5 squared times h, okay? I'm actually going to show you guys how I plug that into my calculator. So 1/3 times pi. Where's my pi button now? I keep getting confused after watching you guys doing it in your calculators. Times 5 squared. So there's this cute little square key here, guys, right there. So then you don't actually have to do 5 times 5 times 8. Okay? So that gives me 209.43. Oh, there's no units. So units cubed. Okay? So again, all I did was plug in my radius, plug in my height, and calculate it all out, okay? Let's keep going. Find the volume of this cone. I don't know why I call it a cone. Because this is a pyramid. So this is what we did yesterday. Remember, it's volume equals 1/3 base times height here. Okay. So again, if I look at this triangle, all 3 sides are the same. That's what the little tick marks show me. So then the volume of my base is just 1/2 base times height because it's a triangle. So I get 1/2 6 times 6. So 1/2 of 6 is 3 times 6 is 18. So my big B equals 18. And then my height equals 10 here. Okay. So then I'm going to get V equals 1/3 times 18 times 10. 1/3 of 18 is 6 times 10. V equals 60 centimeters cubed. Okay. So again, this is from yesterday, so you probably should have been able to do that one on your own. Now this one says find the radius given the volume and the height. So this time we're finding radius. So it says a safety cone has a height of 30 inches. So I have my cone here, right? Let's get my little circle bottom here. So it's a 30 inches tall and a volume of 2009.6 cubic inches. Okay. Find the radius. So remember I get, if I look at the volume of my cone here, and I'm going to write the full formula, 1/3 pi r squared times height here, right? If I'm remembering correctly. Yep. So I'm solving for r here, so I need to plug in v, which is 2009.6 equals 1/3 pi r squared times height, which is 30. Now I'm actually going to combine these 3 numbers, okay? So the 2009.6 comes down for the ride. And I get 1 divided by 3 times pi times 30. So 31.42, let's say, r squared. So I have to divide both sides by 31.42. So again, I'm going to do that in the calculator. 2009.6 divided by 31.42 is approximately 63.96, okay? Now remember, to get rid of a square, I have to square root both sides. So I get r equals square root of 63.95, which is going to be approximately 7.997, which is really approximately 8 inches, okay? So we're going to round up. All right. Alice is serving a frozen yogurt in a cone. The cone has a height, so we have our cute little ice cream cone here. And it is 9 centimeters tall with a diameter of 7 centimeters. How many cubic centimeters can Alice serve in 3 cones? So let's find out how much she can serve in 1 cone. So again, volume equals 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Now r, they gave me the diameter, so r actually equals 3.5. So I get V equals 1/3 pi times 3.5 squared times 9. Okay. So I got 1/3 times pi. I'm going to pop all this in the calculator for myself here. Times second pi times 3.5 squared times 9. That's 115.5 centimeters squared. Now in 3 cones, I just multiplied this number by 3. So 346.5 centimeters cubed is how many cubic centimeters Alice will serve if she serves 3 frozen yogurt cones, okay? Alright, and okay. So this is day 3, so I'm going to pause the video. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.